So friends, let's see today's healthy sweet where we're going to use jaggery and whole wheat. Now here in a pan, I'm going to dry roast 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Now you're going to roast this on a low to medium flame, stirring continuously. And we're going to roast this for exactly 2 minutes. So put a timer on your phone or your watch and roast this, and you'll get this lovely aroma of the flour. So this is a very important step, that you roast this really well. And after 2 minutes, when it's nicely roasted, just transfer it to another pan and wipe the pan clean in which you have roasted the flour. Now again turn the heat on, and we're going to add 4 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of grated jaggery. Now I have this dark organic jaggery, but you can also use the light jaggery. You can use any jaggery that you have at home. And you're going to melt the jaggery or the gur into the ghee. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder. Mix the cardamom powder well in the liquid, and I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds. Now you can use any kind of dry fruits that you have at home, cashew nuts also. And now I'm going to add this roasted whole wheat flour back into the mixture. And now you're just going to stir everything together on a low to medium heat and bring everything together till it becomes a nice dryish kind of a consistency like this, and it starts leaving the sides of the pan. So this should take you about 4 minutes on a low flame. And now I've just greased my pan with a little bit of clarified butter, and I'm going to transfer this mixture, and I'm just going to flatten it out using a spatula. And then I'm just going to cut squares like this, and I'm going to set this aside to cool to room temperature for about 20 minutes. You don't need to refrigerate it, just set it aside for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, you can cut them into, you can keep them, into big squares like this, or you can cut them into smaller sizes like this, which is, I find, more easily to, grab and eat whenever hunger strikes. So this is a nice healthy snack. So no sugar, no butter, just jaggery, whole wheat, and some clarified butter or ghee. So I hope you try out this recipe, and do give this video a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and do share my recipes with family and friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you in my next recipe sooner than you think. This is Akshrita signing off. Bye guys.